So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add domain property to Google Search Console. So firstly, log into your Blogger dashboard and go to Settings. Scroll down to Crawlers and Indexing and click on the Google Search Console link. You'll be redirected to Google Search Console. Choose URL prefix and enter your full Blogger URL. Then click Continue. Because Blogger is a Google service, Google can usually verify your ownership automatically. Once verified, go to Property. In Google Search Console, open Settings and Sitemaps from the left menu. Under Add a new sitemap, enter the sitemap.xml, then click Submit. Google will process the sitemap and show its status in the sitemap section. This helps Google discover your Blogger posts and other available URLs. And that's it. Your Blogger blog is connected to Google Search Console and your sitemap has been submitted. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.